myself and the boys trying to make, I want to make French toast for NATO. Today is Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to every beautiful baby in the world. May God bless and protect our children. Happy Children's Day to me, because I'm somebody's daughter too. I'm somebody's baby. Oh my gosh. So Neto did not go to school. I am home alone. She also went to write WAEC. So just moi and the boys. How does he want to toast again? So I have my butter. I'm going to use the 1, 2, 3 because I don't have normal milk. So I'm going to use, it's not like this is abnormal milk, but you get what I mean. I don't have adult milk, so I'll use 1, 2, 3. Use butter. I'm going to get egg. I forgot it in the fridge. I'm contemplating adding sugar to the mixture, but I'm not so sure because the bread is quite sweet and I will not add sugar. I just remember that I'm using this 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3 is already too sweet, so no sugar. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Yeah. Come on, take egg. And guys, our French toast is ready. I did just 3 slices because I'm really not a fan of French toast, so this is just for the boys. Neto mostly sure, but Kaito eats more, hopefully. Yeah. Neto, see your food. Yes, your food. Applying lip gloss when you have a straight hair can be so stressful, especially when it's very windy. It's so stressful. But going out with a dried lip, I'll be so uncomfortable. So maybe I'll just put my comb in my pores. I hope it can fit in. Nope. Okay, yeah, it did. Guys, see, today is Thursday. I have been trying to upload a video since Tuesday night. I was trying to upload it up Tuesday, then put it on public Wednesday, but it wasn't possible. I was like, okay, it didn't finish uploading. It was around 54% and it stopped. And there's data connection on my phone. There's no network issue. Every other thing is opening. All social media, even YouTube self. I'm watching videos on YouTube, but my video is not just uploading. I don't know what is the problem. So I was like, okay, since it didn't upload, I'll just try again on Wednesday and upload it and put it on public today. And it was just like a few minutes ago that it just completed 100%. I think it's still processing. You know, after uploading, it will now start processing. It's processing. So I obviously can put it on public today because I like uploading it a day before, then allow it to process and calm down. And I think to get a better quality, uploading and putting it on public immediately is not advisable. Anyways, I don't know, but that's just what I do. Anyways, let me not bore you guys with all of that. Thankfully, it has finally uploaded, but it's still processing. Hopefully, in few minutes time, it will be done. But that being said, let me quickly head out. The weather is very gloomy and windy. I'm even getting a bit of rumbling from the... It just happened again. I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if I should go out with umbrella or I should just quickly head out. I don't know. I don't like carrying umbrella, especially when it's not raining. It's not already raining. But yeah, let me quickly head out and I'll talk to you guys pretty much later. Okay? Yeah. let me keep this thing back because it a block view. That's why I'm taking it down before I talk. And people don't mind it now. I think it's blocking. Yeah. Today is Friday and everybody is at home because today is not just sit at home, it is no movement day in the whole of East. I don't think it's just Abia, I think the whole of East, because it's supposed to be Biafran Remembrance Day for fallen heroes, I think, something like that. So no movement in the whole of East and we are just at home. I am cooking now. Well, I'm done. I'm just waiting for it to get ready and then I'll serve it. I'm cooking beans, you know. So since we are sitting at home, let us eat hot beans. Thankfully there's lights and we're watching a movie. Or my husband is watching a movie. I don't like the movie he's watching, so I'm not even interested. But yeah, thankfully it's not a series, it's just it's a series that has just 6 episodes rather. So I'm just waiting for it to be done. Let's choose another movie. Since I just left it, since I was cooking, I wasn't really paying much attention, so I just came here to lie down and chill a bit. Even though Kaito still came with me, but I wanted to be alone, but what can I do? But yeah, I just thought to talk to you guys, you know. We are just at home chilling and observing and praying nothing goes wrong. Oh yeah, we'll talk later. Okay. Hello people. $1,000. Apa Joko? It's you, babe. Regular. 500. Came out to run some errands and I saw corn and I'm gonna eat corn. Oh my gosh. Thank you. The only corn that can make me this happy. Actually, money. But then you need money to buy corn. Anyways, I'm happy. Today is Sunday and we are heading for church. Hi, good morning guys. I forgot to do it. Good morning. We're heading for church right now. We are so early. I was thinking the mass was 9 a.m. but we just confirmed that it's 10 a.m. so we are quite early. But yeah, after service, instead of coming back home, we would go to family house. Our family house, the boys can play with their cousins because this holiday is so long. I call it holiday because they didn't go to school on Friday, Saturday, today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, another sit at home. So I'm like, you know what, they've been at home since, because we've been sitting at home, right, observing the no movement, aside from yesterday that I just went and ran some errands. So we take them to the family house so they can play with their cousins, interact with their age mates, you know, and then we would head right back home and we'll come back maybe later in the evening, afternoon or evening or night, depending on how the vibe there is, you know what I mean. And then that's just it for the day, and we'll prepare for tomorrow, and then Tuesday everybody will go to school. Well, yeah, let's head out. I like this, my earring. Sometimes I wear it and I feel like it's bulky. It's not heavy, it's actually light. Sometimes I wear it but I just feel like it's bulky, but today I said I'll wear you and I will not remove you. This is nice, you know. But yeah, let's head to church. I'm not even dressed the boys because like I said, it's quite early, so we are just waiting for time to go small. Then I'll wear their clothes. I'll be to wear their clothes and would head out. But I think I'm talking too much now. Oh guys, I did not just the people. You know that video that I said I was struggling to upload rather? Finally uploaded, processed, and I put it on public when? Yesterday was Saturday, so no, it wasn't yesterday. I put it on public on Friday. Oh my gosh. And the video is doing well. And the video I was scared at first. Wait to stop that now. What is this boy playing with my hair wax? What was I saying? Yeah, I was scared for the video because the video was quite long. It was 20 something minutes long, and I was like, oh my gosh, will people watch? Will people click on it? You know, because you have to know where you've gotten to in this YouTube streets to be putting 1 hour 30 minutes videos, you know, stuff like that. And honestly, I didn't want people to be getting bored, so. But I really liked everything I said in the video because I was trying to edit a lot of things out, but I really liked what I said, how I talked. You know, I just calmed down and spoke to you guys in the video and stuff, so I couldn't remove any parts. I removed some, but you know, it was still reasonable. I said, you know what, just upload it like that. Who will watch? There are some people that are glued to your channel no matter what. Even if you just film yourself sitting and yapping, they would watch. So I was like, okay, let me just put it out there. And the video is actually doing very well. I mean, compared to the views I get on my channel, I said I'm not going to be complaining about views again. If you've noticed, I don't complain about views. This is something I love doing, so I'm going to keep putting out videos. Even if I get, let me not use my mouth and say it, but even if I get low views, which I pray to God it's going to stop, but I'm still going to keep creating content, because sometimes I'm like, the views are not hot, let me not put out video. But when I don't vlog, I feel like something is missing. I always feel like something is missing, and before you know it, I'll just carry my camera and start creating content. But anyways, that being said, I'm happy that I listened to my inner voice. I said put out the video like that. Give me, because this is your floor, that's why you're using it to make noise. Nah, studio will make somebody talk too much. Give me. I'll talk to you guys later. Long and short of all I'm saying is, sometimes just do things that you don't usually do, and you know, you never can tell. I'm distracted. I'll see you guys later, Jerry. Oh my god. You should be asleep now. You distracted me. Give me my clip. Azia. Azia. What's the time set? You go and start dressing up. Give me the comb. Give me. Stand up so you go and wear your clothes. So I know that. Guys. Okay, good morning. Good afternoon at this point. This is past 12:35. I'm heading out. I am supposed to visit my friend. She gave birth, and I've been doing nganga. I will. So I want to go today, run some errands. I have some deliveries to make as well. Someone bought jewelry. But when I head out, you know, I feel like everybody that goes to visit a newborn gives diaper. That's why I don't want to buy diaper. I buy something different. So it's either I buy diaper or I'll just give cash plus this pretty shoe that I just saw and it caught my attention. But anyways, let me head out because I don't want to be late. And her place is quite far, so I'll just go there, spend time with her, run some errands. First of all, I'll deliver my jewelry. Let me show you guys the earring. It's so fine, so pretty, very different from the usual. But anyways, when I get whatever I'm getting, I'll get a final bag and put her own. So yeah, let's head out.